In other news, the second cyclotron facility in the country will soon rise at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute in Quezon City. Let's find out more about the facility from Sam Ramirez.
The National Kidney and Transplant Institute, or NKTI, will house a cyclotron facility. It is the first equipment of its kind to be installed in a government hospital and a second in the country after a private medical center. The cyclotron facility generates a substance called fluorodeoxyglucose. It is injected to a cancer patient that will undergo a PET CT scan. This procedure is needed to detect the increase in metabolism found in cancer cells. Through the acquisition of a cyclotron facility by the government, competitive pricing and a level playing field will be promoted. This is according to Dr. Jose Dante Dator, Officer in Charge, Executive Director of NKTI.
Dahil nga po nasa government hospital to at ito ay ang ating government hospital na NKTI, we are a government corporation na hindi po namin ito pagtutubuan, therefore ang presyo po natin ay maibababa natin sa pinakamababang posible.
This project is part of the Universal Healthcare Program of the administration, which aims to improve the quality of healthcare services given to Filipinos through the upgrading of government hospitals, facilities, and equipment. Dr. Dator also said that other nearby hospitals can use the cyclotron facilities of NKTI so that they too can offer PET CT scanning.
Sapat ito para magbigay din ng produktong ginagawa niya, yung FDG yung sinasabi nila kanina, para sa hanggang 10 pang ospital. Para ho ito hindi lang eksklusibo para sa NKTI, para mabigyan din ng paraan yung ibang mga ospital para makapagtayo ng PET CT study.
Dr. Dator also added that if the facility in Quezon City goes well, additional cyclotron facilities can also be built in Visayas and Mindanao.
Sa Visayas at Mindanao area, pag napakita po nating napalawak natin na paggamit nito, mas maraming pasyenteng mangangailangan at mapatunayan na magiging tinatable para sa isang investor na maglagay ng gantong kalaking produksyon, pwede po silang magtayo.
The facility is expected to be up and running in 2014. Reporting for the People's Television, I am Sam Ramirez.